So we got to the shop this morning around 6. We needed to push some snow, even on the way to work here this morning. Cars are everywhere, spinning at stop signs and stuff like that. One of the trucks is gone, so one of the boys is already out towing. We got them all lined up. And then the other one goes home with one of the drivers. Even the heavy here, it was out yesterday, pulling some semis up the hill that we have hereby.
That is pretty bussin'.
So on a snowy day like today, this is the truck that you need. We're gonna go do a back alley recovery with this thing. This is our off-road recovery truck. This thing is an absolute beast with the big tires that are on it. It hasn't got stuck on us yet. And this is the residential streets. They always get plowed last, of course, but. The thing about bringing this truck down back alleys is with the wide tire, it packs it down really good. You can get a nice wide trail down. So when you're doing a winch out like this in a back alley, the person can usually drive out once they get onto your trail. Huh? Oh goodness. That person is not getting out of there. We've almost got it too. Fully in our trucks here.
Just take her slow, buddy.
It's out. Oh god. It's spinning.
Take the old traction control off.
We're done with that one, on to the next one. Swapping trucks. Oh, this is Baymax. Hell yeah. Oh,
Oh, buddy, this heated seat is bussin'.
Yeah, it's way more luxury than the last one.
Heated steering wheel is bussin'.
Roads are good when it's this snowy out. small drifts here. But this is all a road right here. Alright, we're doing more back alley stuff. We're about to pull up to our other truck that's stuck up here. Little pickup truck, two-wheel drive. Thanks for tuning into today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the city recoveries on this awesome snow day that we had. I'm just up north right now with the flat deck, scooping one up, enjoying this awesome sunset that we got here on this lonely nowhere Saskatchewan highway. Once we go back to town, I think me and some friends are going to do some sledding. Thanks for watching today's video. You're awesome.
Don't buy an Arctic Cat. These big piles will blow up on a guy.